Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just found out, kind of by mistake, how to add a delete little trash can button where I've never seen it before. And I'm mainly doing this for people that like using their mouse more. About a year ago, I made quite a few videos for a young man that had lost his arm in service, and he's really appreciated a couple of the videos I've made, and I'm really appreciative of him for what he did for us. But if you'll go to Tools, Customization, go down to Commands, right here in your little search window, just type in delete, hit next, and there it is right there, and just hold down your Alt button until it appears, and then hit OK. And as you can see, nothing. You can put it anywhere. You can put it up on your menu bar, but for right now, I'm going to just keep it right there. So it highlights when you've got something deleted. So without taking your hand off the wheel or off your mouse, you can delete that just by clicking on that, clicking on that. You could go through and delete stuff. Doesn't matter what it is, it's going to delete it. And you can move it up here, and if you don't like it later on, if you have a lot of things to delete and you don't want to take your hands off the mouse and your other one's doing something, you could delete that and just always bring it back. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.